5 little friends planning a surprise. Mickey whispered, keep it a surprise. They wrapped a gift with ribbons bright, and swish, 4 little friends hide it tight. 4 little friends decorating a room. Donald quacked, she'll be here soon. Balloons went up, wave a shave for a pop, and swish, 3 little friends don't stop. 3 little friends baking a sweet cake. Goofy said, Gawrsh, let's not make a mistake. Frosty swirled with a sugary spin, and swish, 2 little friends grin. 2 little friends setting flowers with care. Daisy smiled, love is in the air. They placed a bow just right and neat, and swish, 1 little friend takes a seat. 1 little friend waiting by the door. Mickey said, just a moment more. Minnie walked in with a bright hello, and swish, no little friends left to show. Oh no, where did they go? The room is quiet, the lights glow low. But wait, behind the table, what do we see? 5 little friends shout, surprise Minnie.